Hello everyone. In this video tutorial we're going to show you how to download the forms for the Verizon Innovation App Challenge, the release forms and the consent forms. Then kind of take a look at if you download them and print them out, complete them and scan them and have them in your hard drive. How do you get them onto the Innovation Portal portfolio where they're required to be? So we're going to kind of take a quick look at these things. We're going to um, get the release forms and then assume you're going to print them, scan and save them. Then we're going to open an existing portfolio on the Innovation Portal or create a new one. And then we're going to open that portfolio and go into what is called edit mode and then upload the file from our hard drive onto the portfolio and then save the changes. So let's take a look at that. So the first thing you have to do is we have to go to the Verizon App Challenge site and get the forms. And I believe in this particular version the forms are still being made, but we will go to, we'll go to Rules and Guidelines. And when you do that, we'll go down here to What to Submit. Under What to Submit, it kind of talks about the rules and regulations here, but when you get to download the form for the signed by the school principal, this is the release form, and that if your school does do well in the Innovation App Challenge, then they talk about how they want that money to be used. So you download the consent form here. Again, the link is not active at the moment, and then print that one out right from the site, and then scan it, complete it, scan it as a PDF file or a JPEG file on your hard drive, and then it's ready to go in with the rest of the things for your Innovation Portal Challenge. So the next thing we'll do is we'll go to the Innovation Portal site, and though there are other tutorials that deal with this, we'll show you how to sign in. I'll assume you've made an account already, so we'll go and click sign in. We'll put our name and password in there, and then we'll pretend we haven't made a portfolio yet. We'll show you what that looks like. We'll create a quick portfolio for Verizon Team 1, and then we will save that portfolio. Random capitalization there, and we'll create that portfolio. And when it comes back and says it has been saved, we created a portfolio, you can see it jumped right to the Verizon Team 1 portfolio. I'm going to jump up here to the My Portfolios link just to show you that it created a new one here. This is what the project that was there before, and this is the new one we created. If you want to look inside it and go back to where we were, we click on the link or on the title, jumps you right inside, and please note that it jumps you right to the portfolio home page. You can tell that if you click to a different tab, it turns it black and the portfolio home page is green. For this particular contest, the completed forms for each of the team members and then the advisor and principal form need to be part of the display here on the portfolio homepage, which is essentially the cover page where students will introduce themselves, maybe give their team a name and their project a title. So we mentioned we would use the edit function. That's right up here underneath the title. We're in view mode at the moment. It's telling you we haven't put anything in here yet. So we'll go to edit, and then the edit screen jumps you into this HTML editor. And here's the workspace right there. So we can type something on the order of, here are our forms, kind of thing. And you can, and you can change the text. And there are tutorials for this on the Innovation Portal, how to change text, use tables to center graphics, those kinds of things. But we just want to upload and put a form here to show you how that's done. So as you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that we can upload documents, circling that now, and then upload images. And you can upload documents in many different formats. So if you did save them as a JPEG image, the forms, you'd probably want to upload that as an image down here. And ours, I have them saved as a PDF document, so I'm going to browse for those. And here's a folder that is a scrapbook of the things that I have been creating for this particular portfolio entry. And there's some TSA release forms right there. And let's just say for Caitlin Fritz, we're going to upload that one. So I'm going to click on that file, say that's the one I'd like to upload, logs it into the spot here, and then we'll upload that file. And it basically checks for any malware and then uploads the file into your portfolio. So you can see that it is right here. This display tab right here, we'll take that off for now. It will just try to display it on every page of the portfolio. We just want to insert it up here. So we're going to come up here and say, okay, great. Here are our forms. I should probably spell those correctly. And wherever I put the cursor, I can come back down here next to the release form and insert it. And then this link will be a PDF link after we save. And you can do that with the other forms just to show you what that looks like. We'll go get another form for John Newhouse. Say open, and we'll upload that one as well. And it takes a second to upload. And then again, we'll take the display tab off, put the cursor up there, and insert that one as well. And if we want to change the size so it looks a little more pleasing, we'll do that. Change it to large font as well. And these links will become active as soon as we save. So you can imagine pictures of the team, maybe a team name here, again on this portfolio home site. And when we click the button, the save button down here, it will render what we've done. And here it is. And as I roll over or mouse over these links, you can see that they change colors. We'll take a look at the release form for Caitlin Fritz, and it says, okay, what would you like to do with it? And it's very simple, like an attachment to an email of you've uploaded the forms. So that's a quick look at how to get from the forms from the Verizon App Challenge and then get them onto the portfolio homepage for the Verizon App Challenge. Thanks.